ReSimpli is a powerful real estate CRM designed to streamline lead management, deal tracking, and marketing efforts for real estate professionals. By integrating key features like automated follow ups, task management, and performance analytics, ReSimpli helps users save time and close deals more efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer to the real estate market, this platform offers tools tailored to optimize your workflow and drive success. So, the real estate industry is fast paced, requiring agents and investors to stay on top of leads, maintain relationships, and close deals efficiently. Traditional methods of juggling spreadsheets and multiple tools often lead to inefficiencies and missed opportunities. ReSimpli aims to solve these challenges by providing a unified platform that handles all aspects of customer relationship management, from lead generation to finalizing deals. ReSimpli distinguishes itself with a user-friendly interface, robust automation capabilities, and insightful analytics, enabling users to focus on building client relationships rather than manual administrative tasks. It's particularly effective for small to medium sized real estate businesses looking to scale their operations without getting bogged down in complexity. So, for its key features, first is the lead management made simple. ReSimpli centralizes all your leads in one platform, organizing them based on source, status, and priority. It also offers tools to track interactions and progress for each lead. This keeps your pipeline organized, reduces the chances of losing valuable opportunities, and ensures consistent follow up with prospects. Another key feature is the automated marketing campaigns. So you can create and launch personalized email and SMS campaigns directly within the platform to nurture leads and stay connected with past clients. This saves time on manual marketing efforts and increases lead engagement with targeted communications. Another key feature is the comprehensive deal tracking. So monitor the progress of your deals from start to finish with tools to track financials, deadlines, and associated tasks. This helps ensure deals stay on track, minimizes delays, and provides clear visibility into the entire transaction process. Another key feature is the integrated phone system. ReSimpli includes a built-in phone system for calling and texting leads directly through the platform, with features like call recording and voicemail drop. This streamlines communication, ensures records of all conversations, and allows you to follow up more effectively. Another key feature is the task and team management. So you can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and monitor progress through an intuitive dashboard. This improves collaboration, enhances accountability, and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Another key feature is the real time analytics and KPIs. So you can access detailed reports on your lead conversion rates, deal performance, and marketing effectiveness to refine your strategies. This enables data driven decision making and helps identify areas for improvement to maximize ROI. So why is ReSimpli CRM a great choice? ReSimpli stands out as a dedicated solution for real estate professionals due to its ease of use and feature-rich environment. Unlike generic CRMs, it's designed with real estate workflows in mind, addressing specific challenges like lead follow-ups, deal organization, and marketing automation. The integration of essential tools in a single platform not only reduces the need for multiple software subscriptions, but also fosters a more efficient workflow. Moreover, its automation capabilities are a game changer, saving users countless hours and on repetitive tasks and enabling them to focus on closing deals. The platform's robust analytics tools provide actionable insights, ensuring users can optimize their strategies and stay competitive in the market. Whether you're handling a small portfolio or running a larger operation, ReSimpli scales to meet your needs. So basically, in the dynamic world of real estate, having the right CRM can make all the difference. ReSimpli simplifies lead management, deal tracking, and marketing, empowering professionals to work smarter and achieve better results. With its intuitive design, robust automation, and insightful analytics, the platform ensures you can manage your business efficiently and effectively. So, for real estate professionals seeking to streamline operations, improve client relationships, and close more deals, ReSimpli is a top contender. Its features cater to both beginners and experienced users, offering a scalable solution that grows alongside your business. So, by adopting ReSimpli, you're not just investing in a tool, but in the long term success and growth of your real estate ventures. So if you need more information about ReSimpli, you can always visit their website. And from here, you will see a bunch of different features that I haven't mentioned. So just feel free to read and explore more about their features. And also from here, you can see the pricing. So you can compare all of the pricing plans right here. They also have a detailed feature comparison. So always make sure to avail the plan that has all of your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.